Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve Microsoft Store with the error code 0x80073cff in Windows 11. And then you will encounter this code and you see a pop-up message that states error encountered during install. To install these applications, you need either a Windows developer license or a sideloading enabled system with the exception code 0x80073cff. So some of the common reasons of this error are corrupted store files, outdated system components, and misconfigured group policy blocking the install. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to enable side loading settings. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to launch the system settings. Alright, so once you open up the system settings, at here at left side menu, and then you need to select this privacy and security. And on right side, so under here at security, and then you need to select this for developers. So click this one, and that you will see now here the developer mode. So all you have to do is to turn on this developer mode settings, and on right side you can see this button, so toggle on this button. And then there is one notification here, use developer features, and then click yes. So once you turn on this developer mode, and the other solutions we will do is to reset the Microsoft Store cache. So all you have to do is to open up again on the search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type this command keyword wsreset. So once you type this wsreset, and then you can see now this is the run command, and then click open. So this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting installed apps. So that's why we will do this command keyword wsreset to make this Microsoft Store back to default settings to fix the error. So once you do this here at Microsoft Store, and the other solutions we will do is to check for corrupted system files. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then type the cmd, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to right click and tap run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And once you open up this administrator command prompt, and then we need to enter this command keyword sfc /scan now. So /scan now, that is one word, and press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So we will perform this command keyword sfc scan now. So this is the command used in Windows to run the system file checker or sfc tool, which scans all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. So this is the most recommended command keyword to fix any corrupted files on our system. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And then next step, so we need to close the CMD, and then here at the start menu, and then we need to restart our PC. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Microsoft Store with the error code 0x80073cff and Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.